Hi and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be buying two tech stocks, two of my first tech stocks, because these are my two first tech stocks that I'm buying. Sorry for my mispronunciation there. And what are these stocks? These stocks are Apple, which I'm going to go ahead and buy right now. Here we go. Apple. Let's buy Apple for $2,000. Let's invest $2,000 into Apple. Here we go. I'm buying it at a share price of $120. 16 shares, $2,000. Submit. And I'm going to buy, the other stock I'm going to buy is Microsoft. And I'm going to be investing $2,000 of Microsoft. Or $2,000 into shares of Microsoft stock. So let's go and buy. There we go. This will give me 9.39 shares. Okay. 9 shares. Okay, here we go. $2,000 of Microsoft. So here's our portfolio now. I don't understand why we jumped to 18,500 because I didn't add money to my account. But somehow, I mean, that's kind of strange. I've already had this error before in one of my other videos where I invested $10,000. Be sure to check that video out, by the way. So yeah, that's kind of odd. But anyways, here we have our investment portfolio. ExxonMobil, United Airlines, AT&T, Simon Property, Starbucks, Pfizer, Realty Income, Microsoft, Southwest, Coca-Cola, J&J, Delta Airlines, AbbVie, and Apple. Okay, I'm going to be doing another video soon where I'll be buying some banking stocks and some other stocks, and just doing a kind of a holistic review of all of my stocks in general and my investment strategy. And I'd like to share some business strategies with you too, because I've been working on some businesses lately that I'd like to share with you. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video, which will be coming out tomorrow. Have a nice day, a nice night, wherever you are on the planet, and I'll see you soon.